Lesson 5. In lesson 5, we try to show you how to create bars, that is navigation bars. You know that the mobile application you are designing have 2 or 3 compartments. The first one is the top bar, then the second one is the content area, then the third one is the bottom bar. So I have tried to explain to you about the top bar, how to create that. So today I will talk about the top bar and at the same time the bottom bar. So this is the app we are working upon. So let's click and open it now and start editing. We are already in the classical interface, so let's go back to the new interface. Now food and recipes. Yes, this is the app we are using to do the practical work. So, and this is the bar we are talking about. This is the element of the bar we are talking about here. So now we will try to let me try to open a screen so that you will go to the screen panel, then screens. These are the screen we have in the bar. So let's go to game. Let's go to game. You can use that game screen to do the to show you the example of how to do it here. So drag the bar element, then you drop it here. So these are the bar we created the other time. Select one and allow it to refresh and load. Then the bottom bar will be here. This is the content area, so drag this and put it here. So since it's not coming up, let us close the app and open it again to see if it is right. Game. Yes, can you see now? It is there already. Now we don't need all these things. I just put the thing there. I will prefer that we start the designing from the scratch, and I told you that we need rows and column. Yes, so let us delete this one. You delete by dragging it out from the box. Yes, now put row elements there, and possibly we are going to need some content that you used to put in the bottom bar is always different to this one we used to put here. So we will use column, put column inside it. So that column possibly we need, let me say 20%, then put another column again, then say 20%, put another column again, let's if we still need to increase it, we will do that later. 20%, 20%. I just need to show you all those things so that you know how to do it, and for you to know that none of it is difficult to achieve. 20%. Yes. Now we have these five elements here, and what do we want to put inside it? Let me let you know that whatever we want to put inside it, as long as it is a picture or an icon, then you need to put image element inside it. Image element. Put image element. Image element. Image element. It is the image element that will enable you to put the necessary thing inside the column. Yes. Now, what are those things that used to appear at the bottom bar? Sometimes you have next or back. You may have those next or bar may be in text or in picture, but sometimes it is better to be in picture. So, and how do we arrange it? You can have backward or forward, next or back. So let us start from here. Let's say back here. So okay, the picture, click on the picture. Let's select and there is one thing I will tell you more here, is that the background of what you are designing matters a lot. Supposed to determine the color of the picture you want to put on it. Right now, I want us to use white color arrows, so that we use arrow to indicate those things we want to put there. So let's go to the computer. I have some white arrows there. Let's get to the computer and see. Now from the computer, I don't know. Okay, this is search. Then this is home. Let's pick this one and open it. So I told you that you should endeavor to make sure that all the icon you'll be using will be in uniform color. They'll be in uniform color. I can't get the one we just uploaded here. Let me go back again. Let me go back. Yes, maybe we should select it. Yes. Yeah. Search. Right. Okay. Okay. Then this one, so that we put everything on board just once. Now click on open. Yes. Yes, now. So uh, to ensure that we see what we are doing, let us put something at the one color at the background so that we can see what we are doing. Let's use this one as the background color. Yes, so can you see now? Let us, it will be better to put this here at the center. Put it at the center. Then put it at the middle. Put it at the middle. Something is wrong with that's what I did. So I will reduce the picture, not the element, the picture. So let me put at 50%. Then put it at the center, the picture at the center. Yes, I think that is okay. And we can put next element here. I don't think I have it in the resource manager, so let's use let us search for it on Google. Next, then I told you when you want to search something like this, write your keyword in details. Let your keyword be in details so that you can get exactly what you need. um, Next, white, call it white. Next icon, transparent background. So all these ones are not white. Let's click on this one and see if it is. Next, yes, but I don't like this one. I don't like this, the way this one appear. So we need something better than that. Let's click on this one. I don't like this one also. Okay, no, I don't want this one also. Let's see this. Are they almost the same thing? No. Let's look for another one. Let's see this one. Almost same picture. No. This one is okay. This one, that is next button. So possibly if we can find back button. Back button. So you know all these one are black color. So we may not need them for now. So let's white back button icon. Back. So this one is okay, but it should be in uniform. It should be equal to the one we want to use. So let's go back to Mobincube now. Next, let's put next here. Yes, click on the computer arrow, then next button, then open. Yes, this is it. Can you see now we reduce the size of the picture to 50%. Then we put it at the center. So this one also should, the picture should be almost at the equal size, 40%. Then this one also should be put at the center. Yes. Now share the back button. So should be equal to, be exactly this. But the problem is that I don't think that this new resource manager have that feature where we can upturn it to back. So let me see if we can get that from the classical interface. The classical interface. Yes, you click on this, then click here. This is your resource manager here. So possibly I think we should have it here because it has all those fixtures where we can turn the image to what we really want it to be. So it's not here. Then since it is not here, we can go back to the to our computer and turn it. Then we have the exactly this is it. Then right click on it, then rotate left, then click on it again, rotate left again. Yes. So now we can, I think we are working with the game screen. Yes. So click on it, click again, then the picture, then click the add resources, upload from your computer. Now we are having it the same way we want it to be. So let's check it if it has been uploaded. Yes, this is it here. Now we reduce this to 50%. Then click on the element, then bring it to the middle. Yes, I think we are getting something reasonable here. You can put share button here if you want your users to share your app directly, or share any content within the app 50%. Then put it at the center, then click the element again, bring it to the middle. I think you can see it now. And this one, we can put anything else there. Let's click, but make sure that they are of the same white color so that your app can look a little bit presentable. Yes, search. Let's put search. Either search or shopping cart. The shopping cart indicates that the users can purchase anything within your app. Put it at the center. No, maybe it's network. Then okay, let's close the app and reopen it again. Something is wrong. Let's click on this and see. Okay, let me reload the page. Alright, it is back to game screen. Game. Now, yes, put it at the middle, then click on the shopping cart, reduce it to 50%, then put it at the center. Then the one we put here is not coming up again. Might be due to network issue. This is it. Now we have just done that. We need to do something. We reduce the size to some bearable minimum so that it will not be too large when it comes to users end. Yes, 30, make it 30%, 30%, 30%, 30%. Then this one also should be 30%. Then you know what happened here? Yes. Now, as you can see it here, let me tell you something. When it gets to the user's phone, it may be tiny more than this. So we need to do something and put the separator somewhere on top and below it, so that we can have a well-designed bottom bar. Click here and see no line, then put another one on top of it, then click here and say no line. Can you see now? I think that too is okay. It's enough to monitor the whole thing. Yes, so you can see this is how it will appear, and it look beautiful from the user's end. Let us there is another things we will do here. We try to, let me teach you how to link those pages to with one another. You need to link them with other pages. Yes. So can you see now? So that it is beautiful. So don't mind this one, we still change it. That is the top bar. Now we want to link it. We want to link it together. Click on the O bar, then let me see if we'll be able to do that here. You click on the event, but I told you that I can't understand what is happening with my events features here. Not all of them were coming out as expected. So let us go to the old screen so that we can do the linking easily. Yes, the game. Click game, click on the gear icon, click open. The gear icon, then open. Can you see now? Now you click here and click here, so you can start linking. Don't link them here. If you try to link it here, that shows that you link the whole things at once, which is not going to be okay. So this is the back button. You click on here, then use action, you said back. You have linked that one up. And what is there again? Share. You click on this one, then action, you look for share, you click on share. Then what you want, the content of what you wanted to share, you will put it here. So we don't have that at hand until we publish the application. Then click on home. You know, this is home. This is home. That shows that once you click on this place, it will take you back to the main screen of the app. Then let us click here and say go to screen, and from there you will see home. Click home. You have just done that. Then the shopping cart, that shows that you have some in-app purchases within it. Click on purchase. Then the link to that purchase page, you put it here. I think you understand now. Then click here again. What is next there? That is the next button. Click here and say next. No, that is not the next. Where is next? Next. I think next is somewhere there. Okay, next is not here. By the time we are doing the database creation, there will be next. Then I will tell you the reason why there is no next here. So because those screens are not directly linked to one another, but on the database, everything is linked together. It is easy to say next or back. You understand now. So if you want to use next here, then that shows that you are going to use go to screen. So that screen will now, the screen that you want to use, you put it there. So possibly you want it to be the next screen, say bread final, but instead of using next here, we use another thing. So that is just that. We have finished that for today. So the same protocol you use to create the top bar, so the only difference is that the content you will put in the top bar may be different to those content you put in the bottom bar. So from the bottom bar, you see share, you see menu, then you see some other thing. You can see share there, you can see menu, then you can see the screen identity, that is description here. So not too much thing that to put on the screen. That is just it. So I think we are good to go. Next, we are going to show you how to set up your database, then how to use it to create a page. Thank you.